Hi, my name is Marjorie Camerlore, and today I'm here to talk to you about KWLs for ELLs. Now, KWLs are a knowledge, want, and learned chart that looks like this. Students put their prior knowledge in this column right here, what they want to learn from the reading in the second column, and in the third column, what they have learned after they've completed the reading. Resources you'll need in your classroom are an individual KWL chart for each student. You can find these very easily online. This one is from Houghton Miller Company, and the article that you would like to use or the text that you would like to use. Now, KWLs are really great for students of all grade levels and of all language proficiencies. KWLs do work best with expository text and lend themselves more naturally to nonfiction as opposed to fiction. For today's assignment, we have taken a standard from biology that states students will be able to explain the basic functions of the human immune system, including specific and non-specific immune system response, vaccines, and antibiotics. I have gone onto the CPALM's website and looked at the teacher resource material, and I have found the article at Forbes.com, which I will list in my attached PDF summary, called Your Cells Mutate Daily. Excuse me. In order to begin this assignment with students, I would have them fill out what they know about the blood types, the different types of blood. This article actually talks about the different types of blood being red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma, and then how they are used. So hopefully students will have some prior knowledge of what actually makes up the blood system, but if they don't, that's okay too. Then I ask them what they want to know about the blood system and what they hope to gain from the article. By describing what they want to gain, I have a way to focus their reading so they get something out of the assignment. And then afterwards, they'll fill out the learn column so I can make sure the comprehension I have expected has been gained. So if I was doing this in the classroom, I would say, hey guys, I have KWLs for you right here. I'd like you to go ahead and write down everything that you think you know about blood. Now this is a content area for 9th through 12th graders, so hopefully I will get some responses that show there's been a little bit of coverage on this before. I'm looking for things like the different parts of blood. I am also looking for what the blood does for the human body. This article discusses how it deals with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And then also how they think blood can help sustain immunity. What they want to know. If they don't know these questions, I certainly hope that they will want to ask these questions. And as with high school students, sometimes you may have to use questioning skills in order to get them to think about what exactly it is that they would like to gain about this article. So what would you like to know? If the answer is nothing, you'd say, well, I see that you know blood is made up of different parts, but don't you want to know what types of different parts that is made up of? Blood, how does your blood help fight disease? You know that it helps fight disease, but don't you want to know exactly how it helps fight disease? And then finally, when they have read the article, I hope that they do know the 4 different types of blood. The parts of blood, I'm sorry. And how exactly blood can help fight things like non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And that is all with KWLs for ELLs.